How's it going, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Shiba Corgi. First off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet on your guys' mobile device. Once you guys do that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go to your guys' web browser on your guys' phone. You're just going to go on this website called CoinGecko. Once you guys are on this website, you guys are going to go ahead and click on the search bar and go ahead and type in Shiba Corgi. So Shiba Corgi. Once you guys click on it, once you guys find it, you guys can go ahead and click on it. You guys can go ahead and scroll down. Right where it says show info, go ahead and click on that. Right where it says contract, go ahead and copy the little two boxes. Go ahead and tap on it right next to the wolf. It's going to go ahead and copy that address to your guys' cell phone. And after that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go on this website. It's called PancakeSwap. This is basically the site where you guys are going to go ahead and do the transactions, where you guys are going to go ahead and convert your guys' coin into Shiba Corgi. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. There's going to be three options. It's going to say Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. I'm going to be using the Trust Wallet app. But in order for you guys to connect that, you guys want to make sure you guys actually click on Wallet Connect. Once you guys do that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on the Trust icon. So click on that, and I have already downloaded the app. So from here, you guys just go ahead and click on Connect. Once it's connected, you guys go ahead and go back. You guys can go ahead and go back to your guys' web browser. In order for you guys to tell that you guys connected it, you guys can see on the top right corner, there's going to be like a little wallet with an arrow down. That's another indicator that shows it's been connected. On the bottom corner, you're going to see four options. You're going to see trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on trade. Once you guys do that, you guys can also find another indicator that shows that it's been connected. My wallet is that you guys can go ahead and see a balance of BNB. So I have 0.009 BNB. So now we're going to go ahead and click on that BNB button, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that address. Go ahead and click on paste. And then as you guys can see the SHICO. That's another abbreviation for the Shiba Corgi Coin. And after we do that, you guys are going to want to make sure that your guys' slippage right on the top corner where it says the little settings icon, go ahead and click on that and make sure this is set as at 12. So once that's done, go ahead and click on, it's backwards, BNB, go ahead and paste it again. And there you go, click on SHICO. Once that's done, go ahead and click on max. But since I have a small amount of BNB, I'm going to go ahead and type it in manually. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.009. And as you guys can see, that buys me billions, if not trillions of coins. I think that's trillions. So once we do that, we go ahead and click swap. Go ahead and click confirm swap, and it's going to go ahead and take us to our app. I'm not going to purchase it anyways. I can't purchase it because I have a low amount of BNB. So let's say if I had enough BNB, I think you have to have like $10 or something in order to purchase it. I would go ahead and click confirm purchase. Once that's done, it would appear in my wallet. Actually, the thing before it even appears on the wallet, you guys would have to toggle it on. So where it says, you guys see those two little top corner, the little setting icons, you guys go ahead and click on that, and you guys would have to type it in manually. So I would have to type in Shiba Corgi. I purchased this before in the past, so I already own it, so it's toggled on, but normally it would be toggled off. So here it is. All you would have to do is if you guys scroll down, you guys would not be able to see the Shiba Corgi. You guys see that? So by toggling it on, it would actually make it appear on your guys' account. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in, toggle it on, and if I scroll down, there it is. You guys would actually be able to see the Shiba Corgi. And if you guys one day decide to cash it out, it's the same process, just backwards. So you guys would have to go on the same website called PancakeSwap, and instead of converting BNB into Shiba Corgi, you guys go ahead and click on the Shiba Corgi and convert it back to BNB. Another way that I've learned that you guys can tell, if you guys want to find out how much it's worth in US dollars instead of BNB, you guys can go ahead and type in USDT. So let's say right now I do that and I click on my max. So right now the amount of Shiba Corgi that I own is valued at about $139 USD. That's another way if you guys ever want to check your guys' balance, let's say, because right now since it's a new coin, it doesn't actually tell you the amount of dollars you have on the Trust Wallet, but you can still convert it into BNB or USDT. That's just another way to convert it, and that's another way you guys can tell how much it's worth dollars wise. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's actually how you guys can go ahead and that's how you guys purchase Shiba Corgi using the Trust Wallet app and the PancakeSwap app website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was useful. And if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want me to show you guys how to purchase any new coins, a lot on this YouTube channel that I've created. I post a lot of little altcoins just to get started. If people who are starting, beginners who want to purchase a lot of coins, even if they're small, a lot of these coins on this website on the CoinGecko, you guys can find a lot of coins that are worth. You guys can go ahead and buy thousands, if not millions, of coins with a low amount of money, and that's my goal, to show you guys how to purchase small coins. In case one day one of those coins decide to blow up, if they 10x, 100x, you guys have the potential. So a lot of the times I usually purchase a lot of these altcoins. If I have the extra cash, put 10, 20, 30, 40, anywhere to $100, that buys me millions of coins, and I just let them sit. So this is just a method that I do. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't recommend. I'm not saying go ahead and do this, but this is something that I'm learning how to do, and I'm hoping one day that one of those coins will take off. So if you guys notice on my channel, I show how to purchase a lot of small altcoins. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, and I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next video.